All right, so this is the humidifier with the Wi-Fi that I bought, and it's so good. I've been living with this for since November, and it's so good I even bought another one for the room. So I have two of them. Let me show you the other one. Yeah. So before I turn it on, it does have the app, but I'm using my phone to record this, so it's going to be a bit. I'll try to see if I can use the front. But the main thing I like about this, one, the ease of cleanliness, right? So I just cleaned it yesterday. You can see here, just kind of put this sponge on top because I don't like, the other, otherwise the mist would be going this way. So I just want it to come this way. And then also you can open this here. So this is very cool here. You can just put the water in here and you easily load it, and then you can turn on the light, sterilization light. You will see this light up here in like a second, but then you can see the level of the water. So pretty much it's huge, about a little over 2 gallons. This, to clean it, I just cleaned it yesterday, so which is good. So you can take the inside here like this. Oops. So you can see the water there, and then let me just put this down here. This whole base comes up easily, so you can separate. So you can take this and wash it out, which is very good. So here was a bit cruddy, but it's excellent. So you see where the ultrasonic sensor is down there, all of that, all this here was dirty. You could just use a brush and clean all of that. So it's easy to clean. And then let me take the other one here. Yeah, this one here, you can see the bottom there. I cleaned it yesterday, a little bit off, but the brush can get through there mainly. And then, yeah, you clean all of this too. It's a bit dirty. And then you can just put it right back in, right? So let me put it back in. So that was one of the, big thing in buying a humidifier. So, so yeah, and then you close it. Then let's turn it on, because you can use the Wi-Fi, but I'm going to try to see how you turn that on here. Let me see. There you go. So you can see the mist coming on. And again, I just put the sponge over here because I didn't want it to go that way. So it can come in the room. Works pretty well. Again, I can't see these here. I think this is the sterilization light, right? Or this is the night light. But you can go through all the, let me see here. Okay, and that's to change that. You can do all, I just do this from the app, so I'm not familiar with, I guess that's to do the hours. I was looking for the light. But anyway, you have the sterilization light. I just do everything from the app. So sorry, I can't do that here. But yeah, let me go back here and let me see here. Come on. Yep. So you see the mist coming right there. Yeah. It's super quiet. Love it, love it. You don't hear anything at night, even on full blast. And then also what I like about it, I'll take some screenshots on the app. You can go up to 12 hours on this, so which is good. I've had some humidifiers which go up to 8 hours only. Let me turn this back off. And then, yeah, so I've even got 2 of them. That's number 2, that's number 1, so I can turn it on my app. That Wi-Fi tells you that it's on standby and it's, of course, connected, ready. So yeah, so I love it. One snag is the connectivity of the Wi-Fi. It kind of gave an error after about 2 months of use. So since I bought it over the Christmas season, I had a return window. So let's hope that this will hold. But overall, love it, especially for the Wi-Fi, where you can sometimes turn it on an hour or 2 before you come in the room. So the room is nice and humid, for you to sleep comfortably. But this is one of the very few ones out there that I love, and especially the maintenance for cleaning it. The app is great. Works with the Tuya app, I believe, or also the Smart Life. I think they all look the same, but I'm using the Tuya app. All right, so yeah, for the price, it might be a bit more, but you get everything for it, and especially cleaning it. Thank you.
Alright, this is our new humidifier. Seems to be working great in our house. We only have to fill it twice a day. So you can see it's working great. So we're real happy. And it just went to 41.
Nice.